mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above me.
Hello, welcome to SOMYASCAPE. Hope you all are doing well. I'm sorry for not being so consistent on the channel, but guess what I heard? Since the pandemic, you and your mask are inseparable.
Oh my god,
So here I am helping you upgrade your mask, customize it maybe. Aren't you bored of those basic ones? Question mark. As you can see, I have already started with the outlines. Yeah, with the same Apsara pencil. I know, I'm poor. My friends have specifically instructed me not to talk about the pencil, so I'm gonna skip it. It's a very simple character to draw. Once you're done mimicking the outlines, fill in the parts that are supposed to be read, shown as in the reference. I went on choosing a non-expensive, non-reusable mask called Let's Be Real. We are only experimenting that too with colors. Saving money? Helping others? Being a reasonable citizen? Spreading awareness about COVID? Who am I? Mother Teresa? Malala? We all know that can't be true, don't we? Take a little blue, a black, a white, mix it well to make the helmet glass color. After all, he is an astronaut. Here I have taken acrylic colors as they are not water soluble once they are dry and they work just fine as of fabric paint. Take the solid black straight out of bottle, go all in. You ask why this character the imposter? Cause I believe we all are imposters in some way. We lie, we cheat, we backstab. Nope, not me. Nope. But you. So you see, we blame. Basically, this game is a replica of our own world. Quite eye-opening yet fun to play. Hence the reference. Because of the material that the mask is made of, the pores aren't really filling in, so I had to reapply the second coat. So for the most interesting part of this video, we are gonna have some desi jugaad. Take a katori, a ball unroll the mask. I'm not basic, remember. I can't be happy with just being the crewmate. I have to be the imposter. So I'm gonna give my imposter a tongue and some teeth, scary teeth, preferably shark teeth, cause it's gonna look cruel when it kills. At first I thought of doing a muscle kinda illusion, but then too many details, so I ended up just stretching my character a little bit long. So you see, when you completely unroll the mask, you see the illusion of an imposter, the tongue getting out of his face and might killing something or someone. I don't know, when it's closed, it's a crewmate, but once it's completely open, it shows the real characters of it. That's how the imposter works. And here is the footage of me being pooped.
How dare you? तुम्हारा कोई हक नहीं बनता कि तुम इतनी खूबसूरत लगो।
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below what do you want me doing in the next video. Bye bye.